Hi, I'm Glenn with AddPac. I'd like to give you a quick overview of AP-VAC20N. This is an enterprise IP video door phone which controls access of the door through video screen over internet. AP-VAC21 has an excellent scalability using SIP standard VoIP signal process feature with AddPac's IP-PBX, and it provides door entry control solution along with AP-ACS500, which is access control server of AddPac. AP-VAC20N IP video door phone has built-in RF card reader. So by placing this RF card already registered to AP-ACS500. I'll just put this card on AP-VAC-N and you can enter the door.